Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to find your YouTube music recap on your iPhone. So at first open your YouTube and click on to profile, then look here, not showing here to my recap option. So don't worry, now I'm provide solution. So go out, open your app store, go to search option, search it to YouTube music. So you need to just install YouTube music. Now I'm already installed, so click on to open. Okay, and click on to profile, then showing it to your recap, just click on, and then showing it to your recap, just find here your all recap 2024. So that's it, that's how you can do it.